So how will we apply all the patches in Spider-Man 2 with just 2 files? So this is what we will discuss in this video, so you must watch the video till the end. Let me give you a small disclaimer that this video is for those who have just installed the game. Those who have already applied any patches will apply their patches one by one. So first of all, when the game gets installed, inside the game folder you have to open My Update 2 and the files in it you have to cut and paste them here. After that we go back, and here inside the new folder we have 2 updates. One has 2 parts, one has 1 part. So first of all we are extracting the first part of the 2-part one. After extracting this, we go to the update folder and run the setup from here. And you will find this check below, the copy one. You have to check it. And from here, after browsing, you have to tell it where your game is installed. Select it and press install. The setup of the second patch and check it. You have to copy the check, and after that, again browse and tell it the folder of the game and press install. So this whole process has happened inside the SSD. The first patch took about 6 minutes, and the second this. The gameplay that I have installed in the beginning is of this game, and I have run all the games above 2 GB, but this does not mean that it is worth playing above 2 GB. My recommendation is still that your GPU should be at least 4 GB minimum, and you should also have a minimum SSD so that you can play this game well. Otherwise, this game ran for about 10 to 15 minutes with me. Then after that it caches and then runs it again. Then almost whenever any texture or other gets loaded the game crashes because 2 GB is not enough for this card in any way. Although I am running 720p on the lowest settings, it is not running even on that. So from this you should understand that for this you should have a card of at least 4 GB. No one should try it if he has a 2 GB GPU like me. So apart from this, if you have not learned how to update the channel Fallen Fathers, then I have covered a video on it. It is showing on your screen. You can watch that. Thank you.